When it comes to cookies, especially these cranberry ginger linzer torts, there's no crumb left behind. But when it comes to internet cookies, did you know that virtually every crumb of personal information you leave around the internet can be tracked? Me neither. So what does it all really mean when we see accept all cookies on a website? And are our families really safe online? I know I'm online more than ever, but I'm not a tech person, so I did the next best thing. I partnered with Avast to understand cookies and bring you some tips on what you can do to stay safe online. Avast is an award-winning security and privacy company that protects over 435 million people around the world every day. But first, let's start with the cranberry ginger linzer tort recipe. You can get the full recipe at avast.com/cookies or on the link in my bio, and info about how easy it is to keep your family safe online for free with Avast. So what are internet cookies really? Cookies are little crumbs of computer code that websites leave on your browser, hence the name. Many of them are totally safe and useful. They help websites remember our preferences, what's in our carts, and where we're located. They're also the reason that their pair of shoes follows you around the internet after you've browsed them on a shopping site. Now, it's fine if an advertiser you trust shows you those shoes again. But as these cookies gather information on your activities from around the internet, less savory actors might use the same kind of cookies to sell your personal data to the highest bidder. What's worse, cookies are just one way of tracking you around the internet. This already smells delightful. The accept all cookies message that you see means that you have a choice which cookies you want to accept. But other ways in which your information is collected online aren't as transparent, and your privacy can still be under threat from lots of other things such as spam, scams, and fake websites. In fact, do you know how much information can be collected from your social media profile? Yes, even that cute picture of your new little puppy on your front door can expose your personal information to strangers. I can't keep up. But with Avast, you get your privacy under control. They have free software and tons of great advice to help you take control of your privacy online. Avast keeps its eye on all of this, so you can feel free to get out there on the internet. In fact, they really put the free in digital freedom, offering software and tons of great advice to help you take control of your privacy online for free. All right, now we're gonna wrap this dough, put it in the fridge, and let it rest a little bit. Oh, what? For over 30 years, Avast has helped hundreds of millions of people stay safe online. They provide simple tools to run on your computer and phone and keep them safe. For instance, with their handy browser extension, you can opt out of advertisements, prevent websites from tracking your data, and block phishing sites. It will even guide you on a refresh of your privacy settings on social media. I don't want you to get burned, so take your internet security to heart. And don't burn these cookies either. They bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And here's some free advice on finishing these linzer torts. All right, so I have my cranberry ginger jam. Then I'm gonna flip over the whole cookies with the flat side up. I'm gonna take a teaspoon of the filling, more if you have large cookies, and you place that on the cookie and you just spread it to the edges, just like that. Now it's time to make it snow with powdered sugar. By the way, cookie versus pie, I'm cookies all day. I love cookies. These can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days, or you can freeze them for up to 3 weeks. You don't have to be a trained chef to make these cookies. And with Avast, you don't have to be a tech expert to be safe online. They protect your devices and your privacy with their award-winning free products. How amazing and delicious do these look? I know! Eating them is gonna be a private moment. Now, to make these cookies, head to avast.com/cookies for the recipe for these cranberry ginger linzer torts and to learn how to easily protect yourself and your family online. Let's accept all of these cookies this holiday season and let Avast help you take your online privacy up a notch.